Today my video is about an alternate route to Kanchrapara from Kolkata. The route will be from Kolkata to Bidyasagar Setu. From Bidyasagar Setu we will go to Dankuni, from Dankuni to Mogra flyover, and then finally to Ishwargupta Setu, and after crossing Ishwargupta Setu we will touch Kalyani expressway and enter Kanchrapara. Finally we have crossed Pune expressway and the tricky Satragachi stretch. Now we are going to NH2, and here we will go few kilometers before the Dankuni toll plaza, and the road condition is very good, as you know. Now we are heading towards Dankuni toll plaza, and we are on NH2, and there is a bit of traffic, but still you will be able to reach faster. We will take a right turn for the Delhi road. In fact, this particular road can be used for going for Nh-34 connection. This road will also take you to Kalna, where you can join Nh-34 at Krishnanagar. So this is the alternative route for going to North Bengal also, do remember. From here you need to take a right turn. Now this is the right turn towards the old Delhi road. This road is also in very good condition, because since it has been constructed newly, 10 years, not 10 years, in fact 5 years back it was in horrible condition, but now it's absolutely a gem. So we are following this Delhi road, and from here we'll go to Ishwargupta Setu. That is, Ishwargupta bridge is there. So that's a straight drive now, following this Delhi road. দিল্লি রোডটায় অনেক বছর পরে এলাম, আলাদাই লাগছে, কি বলি? The road is little bit busy at this moment. At this moment it's little bit busy because already it's 5 o'clock, so the traffic has built up gradually. There is a speed sign, so you have to be careful. I think we are crossing Boya, this place, somewhere around Uttarpara. This road takes you to Bardhaman also, so this is an alternate route to Bardhaman also. So we are going straight, and Google is suggesting to stay for another 8.3 kilometers on this road. So still we are following the old Delhi road. I don't know what is the current name of this particular road. The most annoying part in Bengal is frequent barricades on all highways. I don't know how they are controlling traffic. I think this is a more serious case of creating an accident, because you don't know where a barricade is. We are actually heading towards Mogra flyover. Now we are climbing the Mogra flyover. This is Mogra flyover, and the road condition is very good and really smooth like a butter. So we are on Mogra flyover now. Now we are heading towards Barakpur Kalyani expressway. So we'll connect the Kalyani expressway, and from there we'll be heading towards Kanchrapara. This road is little bit detour. You have to do around 7 to 8 kilometers extra, but traveling these extra kilometers is worth considering the road conditions. So I will always suggest you to follow this route. That particular road takes you to I think that will go towards Kalna, that particular left. So we have touched Kalyani expressway. So we'll be traveling for another 4.1 kilometers in this particular road. So, and I think I will be crossing the Ishwargupta Setu here, most probably. This particular road will be also 4-lane very soon. As you can see, that road construction work is going on. So this will be also become a 4-lane toll road soon. Hope that happens very soon. This is called Rishi Bankim Chandra road actually. 0 kilometer speed limit. ওখানে গিয়ে আছে বোধহয়। এটাই টোল প্লাজা সিস্টেম। There is a toll plaza ahead, so I think this is the Ishwargupta Setu. We are crossing the Hooghly. In fact, there is a viewpoint also, but you can't stop here at this moment. So we are only 4.7 kilometers to the destination, and already it's becoming dark, so the video quality will deteriorate gradually. So I think I have been able to show you the road. There you find that the new bridge is being constructed. It's dark and it's difficult to see. 6 o'clock, and while returning I took the Kalyani expressway. I will always suggest you follow this route. So thank you friends, and please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this.